12 Strangest Facts About Popular Movies. Number 1. Chris Pratt allegedly stole his Star-Lord costume, and the reason was to have it available so he could show up in that costume to visit children in the hospital who would want to meet Star-Lord. Number 2. The sound of the velociraptors communicating with each other in Jurassic Park is actually the sound of tortoises mating. Number 3. Tony Todd put actual bees in his mouth while filming this scary Candyman scene. He was paid $1,000 each time he was beaten by a bee during the shoot. Number 4. During the filming of Seven, Brad Pitt broke his arm while filming the rain scene where he chases John Doe, so the injury was written into the script. Number 5. In Star Trek, the sound of the automatic doors opening on the USS Enterprise is a Russian train's toilet flushing. Number 6. Christopher Nolan actually grew about 500 acres of real corn for a cornfield scene in Interstellar, which he learned was easy from his producing experience of Man of Steel. Later that corn was then sold and actually made huge profit out of it. Number 7. The director of Cannibal Holocaust had to prove in court that the actors in his movie were still alive and didn't get killed during the filming. Number 8. There was no CGI work in The Hobbit to make them look smaller, rather it was camera perspectives and angles that made them appear small. Number 9. In The Lion King, the lion's roars were actually tiger roars and roars made from a man named Frank Welker roaring into a trash can. Number 10. The most profitable film of all time is Paranormal Activity. The first Paranormal Activity movie cost less than $15,000 to make but grossed over $193 million. That's some return on investment. Number 11. During the filming of the first Mad Max movie, the director George Miller ran low on funds. He offered his own vehicle for one of the crash scenes. The movie later went on to rake in more than $100 million in revenue. Number 12. The famous character Jack Sparrow of Pirates of the Caribbean wasn't supposed to be that funny. It was Johnny Depp's idea to make the character so entertaining. Disney did not agree to that in the beginning. Many crew members even thought Depp was really drunk when he was on set, but they went ahead and did it his way, which ended up in one of the highest grossing movie series of all time. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Insta, at Only Animated Videos, or download our videos from www.onlyanimatedvideos.com.